Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how to import a bank statement into QuickBooks Desktop. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So you can listen to the steps that I will be saying, or you can also do the steps that is shown on the screen right now. You can do this or you can just listen as well. So first, you have to make sure that you already have the QuickBooks desktop before proceeding to the next step. So yeah, first you will download your bank statement and that from your online banking account in QBO format, QuickBooks Web Connect file. Then you will open QuickBooks Desktop and select File. Then under that, you will see Utilities and then Import and then Web Connect Files. Browse for your downloaded bank statements and click Open. QuickBooks will prompt you to select the bank account and then you will choose an existing one or create a new one. Click Continue, then OK to import the transactions. And after importing, you will go to Banking, then click Bank Feed Center to review your imported transactions. If your version doesn't have Web Connect, make sure you've enabled Bank Feeds mode under Edit and then Preferences and then Checking and then Company Preferences. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and listening. And make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you and have a good day.